Yo, Kejan, where are you with? Yo, Kejan, where are you with? I want to go on this along. Yo, what kind of food is that? Alright, that kind of look nice still. But we now spend 1200 V-Bucks on that. Eh. Yo, you're so fast. The man come out with the next skin. Mm. Alright. One more for 200 solos. One more. How that cube there? Oh, the cube I go over here over there, so. Kejan, you not start school yet. When you start school? If you not start yet. yourself, man. Yeah, of course. Of course I know where I find it. Hmm? Yo, Kid Legacy, up top, where are you? All of them bursts, yeah. One of them bursts, yeah. Why me can't find an AR? Alright, I'm gonna go. Put over here. So really, nobody not come up pleasant? One person alone come up pleasant? I know. That's sad. That's sad. So instead of come up pleasant, on the land way over the song, come the song, then run again. Oh boy. Nothing. Nobody. Alright, 2 people I know. Finally. What am I do? What's that? Yes man, bring the scare come man. Not even I go to take the damage. Bring the scare come. I bring it come man. How far am I go? You really think me's a novice? Is that idiot? Oh! Yeah, good. Long time I see people like you. Yo, Uchi, where you going with? But then, yo, you know, say, should I use that instead of the minis, you know? You know, say, it's a little movement thing with the dip and still, I just move and thing. You know what I mean? So that's why I did missing for a week, but I say, yo, 1 week can't pass, I'm gonna stream, so. You know what I mean? One week cannot pass. Yeah. On my internet, cause I play a couple games with Bull, you know, but my internet just never did that work right. I never have my internet set up. So all that too. Me never did really in a rush. I dare to use build up behave yourself, man. Giant after. I would have been there, man. Nobody in a chat when I know that Tajay Curry out there. I don't know where him come from. Tell him for giant after. Home for giant. Oh, I'm gonna get back a launch pad. Alright, nice. So, oh, okay. Alright. I have a nice little spot as a still one. I'm not too hide it out. Man, I home for giant after. Man, I tell me say home for giant after. Home for giant after now. GG's. Oh, it's a different game now. It's a different person now. Watch a stream. What? Why? Why after me? Why it couldn't be somebody else? And every day I go in a fight, you know. Let me go. Idiot. Yo, I can't believe him go this and try use a launch pad. You big idiot. Behave yourself, man. You get tricked. You get tricked. Like an idiot. You get tricked. Set you up, fool. But you gonna use launch pad. If you set the launch pad there, I know when I get desperate, you know. I know when I get desperate. You know why I know when I get desperate? Matter of fact. You know me should I do? Me should I take out that slave juice there, but nah worry about it again. It done gone bad. You have a brother where and I hope I say him I go. You know I go see there? See there? See there? Idiot. I know man. I know man. Boy you snipe after me from low late. Behave yourself. Stop it. Join what party? Join which party? The man really go use. Yeah, see Kejan. Yo, me don't know what some people I think when them do certain things in that game, I swear. Why am I going with all that double barrel it up? Ah boy. Mad man. So where everybody is there, alright. You know, I think me know spot him there. But the one sad thing, is that I don't have a oh, come on. What am I do? What am I do? Watch out. What that's something there? What that's something there? What is something now, whatever? What that's something there? What the hell? How so long I'm gonna play that game now? What that? One. Yo, you watch too much summer skirmish. I swear. You watch way too much summer skirmish. On a big man level. You know why? Cause you have to go come out. Brother, I watch too much summer skirmish, I swear. When they? Watch out! Watch out! Oh! Yo, Jano, them turn the late game thing in a hiding thing. Hold on there. Me there we got a short squad. What we at about? What kind of short squad? Short. What Youtubical? What kind of short squad you at about? Yo, done. Yo, the man him turn the end of the game in a hiding thing. You know, so I'm sure the ease up though. I should just go and push. 200 win that, you know? Gone down the GN. Just like that. Why? Because them. Yo, John Master. Win number 200 that just gone down the GN like nothing. I swear. It's sad. It's sad, you know? Yo, the man not even at no point in time, the man try to regain the high ground. The man just did it and a build up a back of box and a hide in it. John was star. That rough. It's me I did now. That's what I did. Yes, man. Go in at the... Yeah, no star. Yo. John was star. Yo, King, where are you dealing? Yo, over the building in no years, man. Gotcha? Of course, my land shot again. Rotted. Rotted. Somebody did again, Somebody did again, Somebody did again, All cause him not no sense. All cause him not no sense, man, I did, I did, I did, right there, See? All cause him not no sense. Should have killed me there, so. I don't know how comes they never kill me there, so. You landing at the building, you have the gun, Boy can't land on my building them way there, mad. Head back and get flick out, man. Oh, me have circle, mad. There's two of you alone and over here, so. Whoa! Look, alright, look for my shield. Look for my shield. From 150, you know. From 150, you know. I get 3 shots from 150. And my health reach at 60. Look how fast my health reach at 60. Yo, then I shot the man for 13. John no star. Yo, yes sir, funny. Where are you? Yo, I don't know. Since I update the gameplay just feel like it's slower. Everything just feel like it moves slower. I swear. Look how my sensitivity high. And it still me feel like it's too slow. Joking. Whichever I'm play on NAS. NAS. Hmm. Like even when you drink minis now, it's like you drink the 1 minute and you have a big pause in the middle. You can't just spam the button and you drink the second one right away. You have to drink it, stop, and then drink the second one. Yo. No, whenever I hear a chest. Also, I hear a chest. Okay. Behave, man. There you go. Don't do that. Mr. PG next time. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe off a earth and jack down. People late. So when they dead? Oh, for the circular. Alright, you know, but now stay so with every day. As much as more fight him, 45 seconds. I'm gonna know what him have. So, end it. Yes, man. That sense. Really? Really? Oh, am I fire the hunting rifle so fast? Big man thing. You saw me, I show you. You saw me, I show you. How much bullet you get now in a hunting rifle clip now? So you tell me say the hunting rifle is semi-auto now? Oh no, star. Yo. Yo, Chris, where you deal it? Oh. eh. I eat that. Now still soda burst. Oh really? Okay then. You gotta follow me. You gotta follow me. Watch out! Watch out! Oh my finger! Jano. Yo, people, remember, don't forget to download Battlefield 5. The open better out now. It will stream tomorrow, you know. Battlefield 5 better out now. Jano Sky. Come on, Bloom. Seriously, Bloom. Watch it. Stay down now, man. Hold on to freaking annoying. Watch it. Watch it. Yo. Yo. So I'm gonna see why you have to have like a long pause between drinking now. Drinking 2 minutes shit. I'm gonna see why that needed. I'm not understand it. Why that something them need for adding in the game. more people still there. That's my trick. No! Look on him HP. 15 HP. 15 freaking HP. One in him face, you know? One in him face, you know? 15 HP out of blue pump. One in him face. Yo, John was star. Yo, I swear. One in the man face, you know? And was star. Alright. Run some doors now because joke thing this. Hey, make sure you private that, you know. Yo, make sure you private that, you know. Yo, Zeus,
Happening
where you
again now.
dealing?
Now why my pink still is okay.
How the boss got flush whiskey?
No, it a come from Haunted.
On alright then. People there? Oh
Mm-hmm.
yeah, two of them over the center, two of them over the center. Over the big screen.
Alright. we can do the dual pistol.
One of them weak still. One of them weak still. Watch yourself. Start it. Yo, me a fad. Cause the next man running behind you, you know.
Yeah, I kill them.
Nah, man, we have to how you kill them.
I kill the 2 man them, but the next one they're running.
Tell us the next man are running behind you, man. I know, star. What with that change that thing, you know? So when you drink minis now, you have to wait.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, why? What the difference?
Hang on, ask Epic.
Yo, more while them people that do some things, I can't understand why. Why them do it? Like, what the difference between drinking one chill and drinking the next one? So now you have to sit down and wait before you can drink the
I said
second
drink
one.
it too fast.
You drink it too fast. Okay then. Alright. Go for another one. Yo guys, don't forget to leave a like, you know. Gameplay not really out there still. Just I get back in at the groove. So you made the party private for public
May
for.
invite Tony.
Oh. The man them have purpose C4 now. I know star. Come like the blue one, them never did enough. And them do a next big update. And them still not fix the sensitivity issue yet. And them do another big update and within the last 2 days them release 2 new skin. And them still can't do the correction or fix the sensitivity thing. Yo, it's sad.
Oh, them do the my egg box so far.
It's funny how you have on a mask and you can't see it. Visit different stone heads. What them the also. What a place on him now? Dusty Diner. Say it name. Alright. So the first time I come a Dusty Diner. Bomba, watch him over there. She man them. What's another see me? Whatever they are there. You have a layer down. You have a next layer down.
Yeah.
That's all I want. 1v1. All I want to do a knock one on. Big idiot self. Thinking that come save a life? Sorry. From you get knocked, you just kill your friend. Big idiot. Do that. Dash that. Do that. Oh, alright then, never mind. Dash that then. So them add this for now. I not understand how them add this for now. So them add your suffer. Oh, upgrade. Alright. Take that. The P90 get common now. I never see so much P90 yet in a one spot. Campfire. Man, them say the place name Dusty Diner. What that, man? What do you mean? Me I wonder how the Ragnarok there, you know. Because the Ragnarok run come that way and him and him friend, you know, so I don't know where them dead. Which part them did dead? I'm for take the sniper. No, I keep this. Alright, see him can bring him down now. Long time now. Long time not clutch a game now. I get a game other night for clutch and never clutch it stars, you know. Also 6 of the max I can carry. So what did C4 only go up to purple?
Yeah,
You're not gonna hide on purple?
you know,
Salty the place. Cool. So then buff the C4 again. Yo, I swear. Them people are confused on the levels. So really, I feel teammate that? I'm teammate that? Alright, I'm not pick that fight there. I make them stay up there. I'm not pick that fight there, me alone. Oh, what the hell? 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 Yo, them bullet get through the wall, I swear. Yo. Oh, that's money, man.
Can use if they get the invite to
Man,
join.
send Punka invite, send Punka invite. Push up here, no forgot.
Tony. Who name Shamar,
Yo.
Tony?
Me no know.
Who that Shamar smart
My
here?
nigga named one Shamar, I know him, and him not good enough for the in that group, to be honest.
So,
You know
you
what
don't know who?
I think the brother did ask for why Adam and with him not really play with it on a regular.
Him?
Shit.
You sure it's him?
Shouldn't jump back. I think so. I the only find him find number with that. We kind of memorize the area code. Part 7. I think people that are red because they look. Wait, Punk, you there in that chat?
Alright.
Yo, man, I'm a
Yo,
Manami
bull
was
up.
a friend.
How you do?
what I mean, I think.
Why?
Quick. Punk, invite. So, push it up.
Taje, where you land, Taje? Yo, a two squad in a, a two squad in a, red brick in a Taje.
Next squad they top the hill. I may tell you, so next squad they top the hill.
Them a push them.
Alright.
Stay away.
Yeah.
Ja, wat voor Ja, wat voor
You can stay in a basement, alright.
No hesitate. Kill that. Send him home.
Why you shoot me the coil?
I don't mean shoot you.
Nice.
Somebody has to shoot them. Watch yourself.
Let's look at it.
Stop watching me.
Well, that's enough. Shit,
Yo, me, I lag, you know.
Oh, you feel lag and you have party leader.
No, don't be just rest.
Yo, people in here, people in here. Go in and lick house grass from me. South, depending on a gun.
Rest.
What me a red for M20? Even if me red, just remember, you know, we wide up, you know, better.
Yeah,
We
but
wide up
remember,
this
me have
episode.
3 seconds. Me have 3 seconds after my race when I'm not taking the damage.
Oh,
Oh, yourself, that did.
Not give up no gun.
The brother pan. The brother with the pan look house to the south dead. So you does
Man, I'm street, but he'll read him name.
me see it, man. They laugh about.
Are you unable to read my name or something? Yo, fuck that.
That's right, man.
No gun for me, Trmy.
Dan,
Yeah.
wait there, you're not a gun. Yo, go south in front of the house, Dan. Over the little house to the south side.
Over there, so check already.
So ready?
Dan, me say me kill a man over there, loot over there, that's why me I tell you go over there.
Me a one shot. If me run cross any gun
Come,
touch me,
come.
I'm dead.
And what's
Just take out
that?
the pickaxe and run, dog. Take out the pickaxe and
Yo,
run.
No healing.
He never failed to
Never
me,
make
he
it,
never
never
failed
make
me,
it,
and
never
he never
make it.
failed the whole squad.
Yeah, man, everything, man.
Pickaxe and run, strategy never fail, brother.
See? One.
and what's that? Oh, you did?
Pick me up. Somebody from behind. Them the way over there was there. Pick me up. Pick me up.
Come in
You
here,
have
come
a
in here,
pickaxe
come in
in
here.
your hand?
Pick me up. Them a push.
Hold on.
Tajay, do you have a pickaxe in your hand?
Shut up. That's a fucking log.
I see.
Me drop your med kit near the roof.
What can I do with this?
So take it right away. As you get up, go take it.
Owe me a log.
No.
Yeah, watch out. 400 in feeding.
Yep.
1,000.
Where him gone?
Kind of foolish is this, man.
Oh. Watch up!
You guys are not good.
Watch out! Baby!
He's up me, man.
Yes, man, a that for reach a little bitch. The man run for the man finish him.
We got that. We get the finish season.
Is that that? Yes, man, kill him, man.
Really?
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man, a that for reach, no man. Come on, oh, you shoot me through the wall of my bill. I know, star.
I never use party leader.
No, yo.
Hold on, ready?
Yo,
Yeah,
why
cut out,
this?
Chubby.
Why this brother coming at the lobby with a bag of man in a suit and have this yard clothes looking thing? How am? How you your suit there, sir?
Brother,
What?
put on a t-shirt.
Where your suit there, boss? My house, my friend. Yeah, go on with. You say you coming in and hide? Hmm? You laugh.
Trmy.
Is what?
But then I want party with Uchi a while, not too long, and the foolishness just to go on with. Hey boy, change that.
Youtubical. Who that brother Youtubical?
Youtubical, change that. Put it back in my future, eh man, stop the foolishness.
Yo, that brother is a real done said, you know. I ask the man, who you man? The man I go ask me, are you unable to read my name or something? I never ask you where your name, I ask you who you. Where you get that earthquake brother from?
A hot shot, brother.
Yo, boy.
But me tell you, say, man, me tell you, the first thing me do, me and the one.
No, so when I tell, no, when I never really approve the name still, you know. Tony did say him, but he never saw like him sure.
So check up at you, I got dead. You, I got
Who
dead.
ever did? I will
You
match
shouldn't
it.
take up them dual. No, I want dual pistol, or you take up the dual pistol.
The man don't like you say the man, boy, you are dead.
The man took up a dual pistol, brother, and no say mine. Him out dead. That me I tell you, him a got dead. Dead him out dead.
You right now, dual pistol water down, that me I talk about. Where you say, pleasant and tilted run. Paradise and tilted run.
Can do that, yes. Risky when you go there.
So how come start training in our party now? How go on start? Yeah, enough people there.
Okay, we have two squad that are coming. We have two squad that are running in the people. Them are got tower, so.
Oh, it's the after call.
Shake.
Tony, come over here, so Tony. Tony, him outside.
No,
in front of run come from the front store. From the front of the store. So you look okay, and in front too. Come here. There you go. Give me that. Who need a med kit here? Tony, you need a med kit here? Eh, take that.
Somebody the right class away, so.
Yeah, I know, make them fight. Take the med kit.
No problem.
Mr. One.
Oh, wait another.
The brother Braves.
Yeah, you that?
Tell them to do that, you. Tell us to do that.
Make sure it's there, make him shoot after me. I'm not in a sense.
Him never see me. DWL. Just a rolling in. Yo, listen me now, you see that purple gun over there up on the ground there, so? Alright then, good.
Yeah,
I
Tony,
used to know.
hold it.
Oh no. Oh yeah. That one there too. Two purple gun more. Mad. See a mini and a Tony.
Tony. I just find something else again.
What's it? Laughing.
That's it, you good?
Yo. Oh, you don't need no bandit. Alright, me try them there. Yo, the man. Which one of need the sniper or the heavy sniper? Are you Tony?
I
Him left?
meme sniper for first, because he see me and shoot after me. And then me build up. And me say, oh man,
Yo.
and that. Then Trmy
Yo,
turn up
me de-
now wide up now, watch the man, you know, like Trmy.
Yo,
I say,
now man, me a
oh
wait for
man,
him.
can you bad man?
You know what me think? You know what me think him there do? Him first, me think did I run out, you know. But the next one, with the car, I feel like say yo, she brave and run out. Never did think of him first did I run out still. Not in that situation there. But at the one me never think did I
Trmy
run
catch up
out,
right
run
back
out.
at the wall and wait for her to jump, wait for him to jump down or something.
Yeah man, I want him jump down one for me shot him in his face. Cause I know them low
Okay,
enough.
Trmy did it. Let me see man jump up in the sky, man. That's not me.
I know them low man.
Don't you have until the year end? This one is 15.
Oche,
Alright, everything we need.
Well, okay, what next I deal with?
Yeah, that's the disability. Really? Is it become you want make 9 minutes?
I wish I bought about one, you know. Yeah.
So, Trmy, I'm not see a change the icon yet, brother. What go on?
Which
You
icon?
like the one with the Victoria? The channel icon?
No,
You
I'm
like the
not,
one with
I'm
the
not change it.
Victoria?
No, man, I go and rock that for now, man. Now, when I reach 100 subs, I change that, man. 20 subs away from 100, you know. Yeah, man.
Yo, Tajay, you're good. You're good, brother. Yo.
Oh, Taji in a party, hold on. Alright, him join back. Him there? No, man, Taji in a party, man.
But him, in the game, I tell you, a while ago, I see the man, and I have to go link him and ask him how I'm saying, man look like somebody people. Same exact spot, I have to come back or heal the man. If me never dance a while ago, I'm probably.
If you're dancing,
I'm still
saving
stuck.
life.
But I'm still stuck.
My lag, I don't know why my lag so bad.
I'm gone somewhere.
One day that's a gun, so there are many things to do. Trmy, come to the man. Ah, you block me up now, but I get it. Trmy. Brother,
Yeah, me there, this fire just come from, you know.
Oh, you're going?
Hold on, one grenade launcher in the vending machine. How much, what them want for it?
300 board, 375 board. Tony, you figure out what a pass up me between drink to mini shield. Man,
Brother, foolishness, brother, you have to stop and wait, you have a delay between drinking minutes.
you know what I think I did my game something did wrong with?
No man,
No,
there's a
brother.
definite thing in there, man.
But pre what them do? Them resolve
not
most
just
of my
minutes.
sensitivity issues.
Them
And
no
then
resolve no
them
sensitivity
put
issues to
this.
me, cause when you set a
Mine
sensitivity, it go back.
you
To where you don't
always
want it.
Kinda want it. Mine solved so mine fix up. Mine
What you mean
better than
fix up?
as in the sense it react better than what they have been before.
Wonder if Alex views.
Hello, Uchia. Hello. What? You know call you. From 19 up. So why does me disconnect from the game? Look beside my name. Wanna see that so how me disconnect from the game I'm here play?
Always does it. Once one person disconnect, it disconnect them and the person with the loss or the odd person.
Yo,
It's
me I'm
for
going
now,
on a
but
list right now, alright,
let them stay.
Youtubical can stay
You
over
see
this
how
and
people
start
going
killing.
over the trailer for Black Ops? Let them stay there.
No, make them stay there. And them no know say a battlefield me gonna play. Just wait. Wait till the morning. Man I left supply drop over here so. What's over here, man? Go. Yo, the man, yo, you see the woods where they over here, so? No, not this, so. Over, yeah, so? Yo, the man them
Here.
clear out every single tree.
I think I know you talk
See,
it.
see, I make it, you know. See, I make it and a heavy, you know. And some minis, you know.
Every sniper, every shotgun.
Heavy sniper.
Oh, you find a good one. Oh, is
Tony,
why you again.
Tony. Why you ask that? Yeah, no, already. Yo, Pro Venom. Yeah, deal it. Man like you scarce, you know, I walk on. Hey, say, you win the cash pot. I lot of you win. Which one of them?
From disconnect.
Yo, all that thing that it go. You get through with it? Yo, watch over there, watch over there. Watch him. Jag on the spot. Yes, man, jag on the spot, man. Man, they are jag on the spot. Watch him, watch jag on the spot.
Come on, give me a
Yo.
look.
No, Tony, listen now, listen now. You take out the minis, them?
Yeah, I'm putting minis in. I have 9 now.
Uchi, you remember that thing they made that all a reason about?
Yeah.
Alright. You see from me I do that? Never been the same.
Really?
Yup.
Better right now the game I see me alone I play.
That
But
thing
that's
want say.
I wonder why.
I mean, I know why.
I
I
never
don't
say
know why.
nothing, you know.
Huh?
Something. Me never bother say nothing. Tell somebody something. Never do.
Yeah, but and that's why me I say. That's why me I say. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Probably have something you say. I don't know.
Now what we say?
How what we say? How which old man that? You know something? Me I hear but me never did pay attention to
Me
it.
hear long time but me try ignore it but it feature fine.
Yo, me know how we say, man. Me know exactly how we say, man. No, me know how we say, man. You see from Uchi Alaf, me know say Mr. Sampo man a whistle, man. Mr. Sampo man over there a whistle out hell, man.
Come and tell
Yes,
me to be
man.
quiet can you stream. You must tell me to tell you to be quiet can I own house.
What? Yo, listen me now. Listen me now. Boss, me not tell you to be quiet and me not tell you to shut up, you know, but you have to tap in eyes, yeah. You have to go tap in eyes. Alright.
Sir, boss man.
Yo, you're the man I whistle like
Mister.
even the whistling band. You're the man. Yo.
Mr. Sir.
The old man, Uche,
Yo, me like going on something, you know?
No,
Yo,
he's not
me
an
hate it
old
like,
man.
whoa.
He's not an old man.
Which old man? The man. Yo, long the man I whistle for 20. Yo, me I wonder right now, more supposed to dry like desert.
Never
Yo,
complain.
yo,
Never say which old man that.
I went to drink water. I went going to stop and drink water. Cause right now, yo, I'm more supposed to dry like over paradise right now. That's where.
You must say I'm more dry like when I pass them on the map.
Yo, nah, man.
Yo,
You know what time people are whistling so like I just blow them and blow. Blow them and blow. Yo, I swear.
I just say walk away. Don't give up, man.
Salty.
No dancing. No dancing. Why you dance?
Behind the blue house.
No, my daughter dancing with him. Alright, Youtubical.
Little more YouTube because.
Yeah, man, Nelly.
Which are the day still a wait for a spot there still. You
Yeah.
don't even know.
That's
You
why
don't even know,
she
so
asked
that's why.
man for a whistle till the
What's up?
game run.
What's up?
Intermission in it.
Alright, hello.
Nice.
Tony, you miss? Tony, you miss?
No man, I finish. When did I gliding more? I kept
Stop
in
kill the
midair.
man. Yeah, you that we have finished the man for.
Boy, you take
Manners.
us to the snake.
The next one.
And next better I grappling towards him.
Yeah, me see him.
I
Boy,
grappling is
Jimmy.
trying to hear
Make him
now.
grappling. Make him grappling.
I need
So
some
you're going
heavy.
to see me? I'm going to take your thing.
Let's some heavy ammo thing.
See, I better run in
Can I
here.
push up?
Like I eat that. Where you come from?
Watch out.
Good to me say they don't get sir.
What's up there?
Ready. Hello.
How him there?
Starting to 40.
Watch out.
Yo, what am I do? Yo, take out them minis there. Tony, just take out them minis there. Kindly take out them minis there, please. Your max for minis?
We
Alright.
need one more. One more chop as well.
Much of it you have.
Max all ammo. No good. I pick up the 1 minute. You see I better I am air down the stuff for me.
No, not really. Alright, start my party now. See, I make it here. Oh, you don't need that.
No man, we don't get no damage before. I have a campfire.
Yo, see people for what them be there? That must lick one of them. I must knock one of them. No?
Give them a push.
Tony, shoot.
What type of fight is?
I don't know.
Oh, my team. Come on, fight already. The chair black me, sir. I'll try some.
Bomba, move.
Mid-ear.
Are you just shoot? Oh yeah, you just shoot.
Yeah.
We have a launch pad still.
Two of them are still
Yo,
left.
peeps, don't forget to leave a like, you know.
And jump down in the valley. Tree. Wait, no, look.
Alright, if we can kill them, brother. Tony.
See them, yes, sir.
Coordinated attack, Tony. We have to gun them.
They're boxing themselves.
No, yes, what me a shoot. No. Jesus Christ.
Who the man snipe me while in Villa Wall? Completely fed up with that game, man.
You know what? I don't run go too far, you know, because the last fight this, you know.
Yeah, 3v1. One get knocked out.
That dead. Stand up there, sir. Please stand up there. Stand up there. Don't push. Stand up, man.
And 1v3, 1v4.
Don't worry about that right now. See? Smart, me smart youth. Me not worry about the storm come. Me know the whole of them over there fight.
No man, the
Me
fight
know the whole of
behind.
them over there fight, you
Yes,
know.
man,
So all
behind.
me have to do this so I just knock the one brother who have health and just down dead because me know say me have health. Easy win that. GG's. Youth, you have to have the ick point, you know. So when you have the ick point, you can do them thing there. The ick points count, you know.
Where everybody go?
Yo, listen me
Everybody
now.
can land.
Change up that skin, you know.
One have extra space to me?
Yeah,
Me
man,
not see
come.
me invite you. How long?
Send me one more.
From 19 how long? No, but I go put on the cockroach, man. Yo, just take off the cockroach suit, no, man.
We're the teacher. Or
Send me
Yo.
one more
invite
to me.
You again.
upset with it.
You the man.
See they wear this.
Look what she got put on. Look what she got put on.
You
Look
see
what she
they
got
wear
put on.
this.
Alright, formal attire.
Or
Formal
you wear
attire. Formal
this.
attire.
Either the rook or
Formal
the
attire, lady.
ears.
Formal attire.
The ears
Right.
go with our thing. Yeah, that can work.
So take off the cape not to me. The cape not for man.
Listen me now. Yo, the cape a bad man thing. Yeah, I talk about take off cape. Cape a bad man thing. But it not formal. Boy, you're a lady, you know. You
Anyway,
can't
that you
style a
come
bad
here and
man
snow
cape,
it
you know.
in the
How
fight.
much you there? You about
Send me
five
one
invite.
invite.
You about five invite me center, you know.
One invite to send me.
Man, I tell me say I want invite me send him. Alright. Matter of fact, I change that outfit, yeah. I put on now. Wait there.
Tony, take off the babbling then, huh?
I love my bubbling. It's white, it may wear.
You know what
Oh
I'm
my
not wear
god.
yet? This. See the
The only way
you.
I have now.
See the yo, one on put on
Yo,
the
put
John
on
Wick now.
Tajay, put on it. Tajay,
Yo,
put
one
on
on
it.
put on this man
Man, have
or
it.
alright, put on the one that me have on. Me put on back my week. Put on that one there. General weak youth. What? Yo,
Miracles.
yo, that thing that look sick from here. But the man head back look like. I don't know what the man head back look like.
The little captain, the captain with it on his head.
I know star.
Also, me just play a game, I'm gonna log. No more ping 160.
160. What if
You know, so I should have buy the dancer though. We should have buy the dancer, you know. The hula dancer, you know. Yeah, eat that. Round of applause. Bring it now. Come. Yeah, eat that. Boy, you have a crush. How would you just land, Tony? Paradise? Alright, tilt it down, tilt it down. We're done late for Paradise already.
Red brick me I go.
Alright. Alright, who Uchi go land in the river, you know. Yo, the way Uchi go land in the river, she go land, you know.
Yeah, me too low.
Mine now go lower than 150.
Don't smart enough for going there. Ah, the boy smart enough for going there. Yes, man, shot him, Tajay. Yes, man, you kill him?
No shield.
So the one time you got
my
that
one
big
it.
in there, I got that one there.
Yo, Tajay, no. Just left a gun in a car. Hit me a come find. Oi, put on a gun, man. Anyone. Alright, me take that.
Yeah, push him.
Of course.
Oh, the boy did have a trap.
Yeah.
Oh, that not touch me. He did right on the stairs. You can't see. He's showing there.
Best in the room.
Him upstairs.
Look out for him teammate him.
Really?
Anybody want a grenade launcher?
Shoot it up yourself.
Yeah, jump out in him.
What?
What up? What? Who threw that? Who threw that?
Yo, what kind of...
Yo, send him over now.
Finish him.
Yes, man. Pick up the boy. Yes, man. See one on that stairs and kill that now. Right, that's the way there. Look where they under the stairs. See him there, man. See him there. Shot him, man. See him there now. Shot him, man. Yo! Clutch a one now.
Go from the grenade launcher and just spam it in there.
Nah, man.
Grenade launcher
Lower man make you play, man. Lower man. Let me see what I can do.
You can what can you do there?
Watch him most of my 360, I idiot. Yo. Why couldn't you react with me? Yo, Tajay, what have you done if I did in this, Tajay? How where them grenade they come from, by the way?
The same guy on the
Bomba! Yo, me just see 3 grenades just drop right in this with you.
Yo, Trmy, right, white, rock here, well, here, now.
Hold on, mate. Why me? Alright. Where's all of us? Rock my wa?
Your wild card.
Youth. See the wild card in front there, youth. The black demon himself.
Where then? Is
The
a white
black demon himself.
You know, no white fire, at least which you have because our white
Youth.
and our red.
We don't want a white for nothing. Youth. We are talking about the weak. Youth, give yourself. Go tell John Wick say him dirty, you know. Give me for put a gunshot in his face.
The combination look good. Look.
Not really, but I don't know if we're just in this thing, I got match the suit.
You look like a madman. A killer with a friggin' float it on him back.
It means he's a murderer, but we know if we have fun. Done this up. It's all about the means. Alright, so there are 3 rounds out of 7. How much left? 4 more.
Yo, you know, I'm not like the internet though. Cause them people are a bag of hypocrite. So this little idiot here go sit down and take drugs and OD and dead and everybody a talk about RIP. Nah man, go kill yourself again one more time, man. Man come about him come OD and everybody a come talk about RIP. And it's sad. Sad what? I dead him for dead one more time again. Like him nah no sense. Yo, me hate when them do them thing, man. Yo, enough people over the double L's them now. Chop it out. Please chop out that water. Watch Uchi gone over there so gone dead.
Why you telling us so? Watch him run. Bomba, yo!
Right in your neck.
Come pick me up.
Wait, where there?
Don't get so. Bomba, dog. Ready?
What? What the shit? Yo!
Just come pick me up.
Yo! How many of them man are dead? Yo, the blue man, see? I swear that blue man. Tony, you can't pick him up, you know. Then, Tony, what you do? Tony, the man them have the peak. The man them have the peak of the window. And him now gonna make it take up that J. Stand up right this up, right this up. See him there? See him there? Watch out! Yo, I can't believe that man and none of them man are dead. I swear.
Two of them shoot off of me, you know. Two of them shot me in my face.
All them be shot in your face way over there, so look how far they from them.
A deagle.
Oh, really?
One of a dual and one of a deagle.
What the fuck? Oh boy, Christopher Bird to that.
Really?
Right now.
So then just change the suit white, change the tie black, and put on gloves. You know?
I was always black. You just change the suit white, add gloves and a mask. It's the same build, same everything.
I'm same on another mask.
When he realized the killing now make it him start teeth. Don't know that people kills and just start teeth.
Yo. Yo.
Okay.
Oh.
Huh?
May I go exactly on my mark?
You know mark no way. No, you mark blind. You never mark someone else's.
Two squad there.
Alright, Tony dead, you know. Tony our first man dead. Just watch.
Jano.
And a Tony first dead.
Tony run.
In fact, man, them a come back, man.
Where you run go? I'm there right as well.
Top the white skin. Top the wild card. About semi-auto.
Chosen. No. Oh, that. It's
Shit. Controller dead
So
guy.
right as well.
What's up? Mina.
nothing. Yo, no.
Mina, you got to
Say what
plan.
I'm gonna, man. Man.
So somebody save me, please.
Where they?
Watch out! So a man come from behind me over the house there shoot me. You know, star. And him not even get the kill. Yo, the worst part, I still not him kill me. It's not him kill me. He must shoot after me and it's not him kill me. Watch him, watch him. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out.
Look at this, yeah.
One bag of eat at them. Yo, the man. Yo, John was star. Boy, look easy.
Okay. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Why you have to have scuba diving attire now? Watch a bird, man. Watch a bird, man. Watch him, watch him. Tony, no bother with that, Tony.
Man of the most annoying dancing.
Brother, I got the emotion finder. Why you gonna use the emotion to keep in the find it online? Emotion are made for trolling.
I can say that.
You know, so I'm surprised when I see that skin here more. Come, maybe that's it. Come. All the white guys, come on, white guys. Thank you, bus driver.
No.
And you're doing us for Paradise.
Paradise, mm-hmm. Yeah. Jimmy.
Why do you want to pay in bus fare?
Nobody will come here, sir. Why didn't you there for come over here, sir? You working me?
Beg me, better.
Really?
Never mind.
Yeah, got it, Uchi.
Wow. Alright, who first I did that game, you know? Yo, look how far me them on. Very close to Swift there.
Homba, man, they're everywhere.
What the hell is this game?
Alright, me I clap the closest Swift.
No.
21st day.
Why? Why do you bother play the game now?
Is that long, man?
Fish? We finish
Is that long, man?
One more come.
Alright.
Yo, watch your youth here. In handicap, don't finish me now. Come on.
So, Uchi alone live over there, so? A lie not tell. Uchi alone can't live over there, so. Don't dead, my friend. Don't dead, me. I come,
Yeah, do what?
I come, man. Anyway, I want to think about it, me still a come. Just nobody dead. Oh, you circulate. Alright.
Alright, go, no, don't take that side. See if we can make it so. Rick right next to
see man around.
Brother, the professional, brother, listen to me, I tell you. Too late now. Like a ball for you, Rick. Can still make it on us, bro.
I mean, I talk to?
No, the other person will glide on next week. That's you. Land on there. What is that Trmy? Knees are dead. Man, I run everything! I must run King Saber. Where you see us? The high class move. Starting off quick. But he's a big, he got that. Honestly, they're pushing and running for the murder. So much hit, seeing it everything.
Oh my. Going on the roof. Going on the roof. Yeah, one shot with a star.
Oh, come on! Me seen that too late, man. John was star. John was star.
Which is still alive?
And that me I say. Bob. Watch out!
Okay.
Yo, you never see when the man impulse on the bridge. Yo, me see it, you get see it.
It would have stopped. It would have stopped.
I coward, I get coward, man, when you hear the button. I go press the button, I guess.
No, I
Yo.
swear, me I try to stop. Just someone would have let me stop.
Yes, man. Me know say a coward, I get coward, man. You know have to explain. The one skin in that game, when I go get old, are Jamaican. Can't get old. Jamaican and the Skull Trooper can't
What are you
get old.
doing? Hold it now. Hold it some now. No, but me can't search.
Hold on.
It's still talking. Yeah. What I think? I don't want to go tilted, man.
Yes, man, tilted, man. We need to build your confidence, you know. And your composure, man. You see the man impulse, boy, you run and press button.
Maybe I try to put on something then you see how could I get a full
So that's what you try to do. Instead you take out your gun and shoot the money and try to put on band-aid.
No, it wouldn't stop.
Yes, man. Yes, me know, man. Me know, man.
It's walking out there.
You know have to
See
tell
what
me.
grab them clean guy. You know, but I
Watch
want come.
Tony now. Tony dead, you know.
Take care,
Alright.
box.
Ucha, where Alan? Alright, over there, so? Alright, me Alan over here, so with you.
Stick
Now
your
you
box
over here,
side,
so.
you not there. Oh, my child.
Why me? Why me? What? Where shoot me from? What you mean? See my come, shut him now. Pick me up.
One ear, they'll pop
Ma
you.
come. See me, shoot him. Don't be shoot him, man. Shut him, man. Shut the boy, man. Oh, what you mean, the man killer?
I hate the air. I hate the birds or the birds still.
Oh, all the way over there, sir.
Ucha, your fault that. That one
Thank you.
is up on your head, here. That one is up on your head.
Okay. Thank you. Get up.
Tony, see man net to Tony. You look through the window and see over there, right? It's up on the balcony.
Thank you.
See me, no, right this up. In there. Him not no match, you know.
Thank
What
you.
you doing?
Better. Thank you.
Come on, finish man. Better than tell the company to that.
Tony. Why? Me nah say nothing. Me allow that one day. Me nah say nothing.
When the man go back to go.
Dead man can't talk. Me allow that one day. Me allow
Run to
it.
daddy, come. Run to daddy.
See some massive with disconnect there. Oh, no, you can reach out yourself.
You see me I heal up a blind?
Oh, she did it.
Trmywick, look here.
What?
Oh, son, never mind.
Move, hold on. Bye.
People walking.
You pull out door. Make sure you know that's up there.
Hold on it. Popcorn have concert. A lie tell.
Concert where?
Jamaica.
Oh. You like that one?
Almighty to the cross.
Somebody, I get a quick scope.
No, don't feel like say that me fuck. Behave yourself, you.
Come on, mama, I want to come through.
Somebody got a person.
Good night. Oh, the hell no.
Hold on it. That building is complete now.
Yeah.
Taje, push that, Taje. Push that,
I'm
Taje.
finishing,
Tony, I'm on a last spot for you, Tony. Tony, behind it, Tony.
Why you not go up?
Fish?
Of course. And then I tune out, then we get the point, and I get it. Yo, finish one of them better than that all over there.
Come here, chopping. Come in there.
Oh, it's a million.
What the man there?
Man, they below you. For the next floor downstairs. Right on the floor there. The man run.
Get this freaking.
Taje, or if I kill the man, Taje, and stop joking the man. Him run gone, Taje, to your left.
Probably I got resident team them, but down two of them plus the one I do down.
Over that way, them gone. Oh, dead people, man.
Nice. Make my two kill. Well done. Come.
You boy there? Watch out. Where you shoot
Come on, along.
Boop! Touch you did. You did. You did.
No, I'm not that cool.
Watch out. You did. What's the idiot still there?
Me a lag. What me a
You,
sniper?
oh, him kill you.
Oh, them
I
men a
still
kill
remember
him.
things I did him dead.
I jumped on, man. I jumped on.
I swear things I did, the boy did.
Oh, they shotgun in a register. Me a stop but tilted them? Nah, stop.
Thank you.
I'm not the president with a briefcase and protect me.
Give it to me. Thank you.
Alright. What we are gonna?
Tilted our pleasant.
Alright. You know what's that tilted we are gonna still?
I'm sure if you so.
Ucha, land over there, son. Land over there, so we mark it. Land we mark it. Land we mark it.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah.
Els, somebody come and Els with me.
Shit, boy, get that.
Somebody in there.
People in there, no come over here, sir. 2 man up there.
Oh, the chop! Come on with that chop there, man. Yo, come on! Big man
Where you
thing.
get shot from?
Go up there, Uche. Come on, girl. Where you go?
Send him home. Send him home. Go ahead. Hold on. Move. No. Oh, the man run come upstairs and set the chop and the chop set. And the man stand up on the chop and still not dead.
You might drink something? How I drink?
Team dead? Taje, why you jumping this, sir? Taje, you pull up at the window with the man there, the man you see him. Before you shoot the man, you run go jump in
never
the
know
building.
say him.
Oh, my chop that Tony. Above you them there, upstairs. One more floor up. Right
Never
beside.
know say him.
Two of them. Bye bye. Welcome to Tilty.
Oh no. Foolish.
Yo, Taje run go stand up right side of the man.
Me did already plan to jump in. I never know say.
Yo, Taje literally run go. Yo, Taje run go stand up right side of the monster, Jano.
And don't move.
I'm getting it.
Ready up now, Chimmy?
Oh, wait.
Where you say all ago? Where you say about Chimmy all ago?
Always a take long for radio.
I never that you say.
I see. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry.
Come on here, Tony, I talk.
That's how powerful shit dragging. Come.
Oh, Tony did it. Oh.
What? So the woman hang a baby in her basement and she get probation. Well huh? Tony, why you think you'd have to ask that? Why you think you would have to ask that? That was a given.
Everybody stick
I like to put things on
together.
the wall. Like picture frames and stuff. Hold on there, so why everybody still in their bus?
That one.
Oh, paradise.
No man, I don't need to be alert. I don't want Trmy.
Melan na back house na son. Yang go paradise ka din.
Bro, look at my people, yo. What's up?
That's a melan na so.
I didn't want me. Yo, I'm not know what to say now.
You the 80k run off for the map. Oh my.
Somebody are fighting over there. I hear you.
80k you run off with me.
I would have to use Rift. You're the man who use Rift already.
I got the weapon to use.
So them Umbrea mark. I say them I got paradise. And
No much
nobody in
people
there
there.
paradise.
Corner.
Alright, cool. I worry man, my good man, me got some eggs. Man, I really want to go paradise still. Sorry for me, man.
Tony, a man there at the back of your house.
Back up
Tony.
the house, brother.
You want to?
Oh. Chumi say game attack. One minute for people over there, so.
Oh.
Tati, are you at your... Oh, are you at your... Alright. What's your game, man?
It's...
What's your game, man? Whatever they come from. Yo. Whatever they come from. Watch again.
Take this stream.
Hold on. Take what? Don't worry, man. Them say karma is up. Alright, you know, man. You want to show the next one? Yes, man. Alright, what you got now?
Yo, if you don't know, see, Chumi take up my impulse and tell me.
Feel like I too. Really? Feel like I too.
Bam, ready?
Una ready for God paradise yet.
Too much people there paradise.
Touch it, come here. No, go back in
you
there. No, me I throw the C4 upon it. Watch out, brother. Me I throw the C4 upon it and we are rolling a paradise. Come here, that one. Watch out, brother. Alright, ready now. Idiot. It can't blow up if I'm a teammate in the car. Tony, forward now.
Someone must know that. That flip it.
Really?
Make it take fall damage.
Forward, man.
Really? This not gonna work.
What? You're coming like, you know what you click me video them for
You have to
YouTube.
jump off when you go blow it up.
Yeah, man.
I had a
All
day.
you have to do is jump off, you know.
Someone for 3-4 funny.
No, you have to jump off.
I'm going to.
Go then there. Oh, Martin, ready? John, look on the fish here. Look on the fish here. What, man? Oh, new, you know. Fish. Man, mess up a plan. Alright, I go up the field.
Go on up there.
Up here.
I'm after that. Don't run. No run now.
You're my
Blow
grappling,
it
you
up.
know.
Me tell him to blow it up.
What's that?
The boy use on grapple a while ago, you know.
See, oh no. What is
Which are you, big man?
Somebody
Are you?
snipe from behind.
Yeah.
So where him gone?
that one? No. I must let down here, so. Oh, see me? Him dead. Him take part of me, him dead.
Bumper, I know him dead, that's why he dead. Watch out! Watch out, man! What it?
One day. Don't make him finish me. See me, Uche.
Show the boy, Tony, one more, Tony. Ucha, one more.
I two of them.
Bomba, Tony shot the man, you know. I'm say Tony one more, and Tony I try thirst the man, and I tell Tony one more.
Brother, so me no see me Uchi alone up. Wouldn't I get down?
Come like, you know, pay attention. You know,
Easy
observe.
because you have the auto thing that it just automatically goes on their bomb.
Hello, little girl. Tell that man to go in bed now and make a focus.
You might cuss me.
Yo, tell him so we don't want to hear that. Tell him so we cuss it tomorrow morning.
I'm gonna protect the noob.
You want it? You want it?
You know, one skin I never yet wear. Never ever yet
Let's
wear
see.
that skin. Never ever. Yo, me never ever wear that skin.
It's not that time yet. Let's see. Your mother called me yesterday.
That's fucking insane. 3,000 in job.
I must be around 3 times to come home today.
Yo, people, yo, remember to download the Battlefield 5, you know. Cause Battlefield 5 they are play tomorrow, you know. Yeah, the beta free feet now, yes man.
Now one day.
You can play multiplayer?
95?
Yeah. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Me alone in a risky that time, that runner.
In a risky?
With the other 10 million.
Oh, Lord. I'm dead.
Alright, Chimmy first dead. I tell us that Chimmy first dead.
God.
Run Uchi.
Killer boy.
Yes, man. Pull a one boy and run.
Yeah, take foot feet over it.
John, no, I forgot.
20 people over the house, you know.
Somebody on the roof.
Tajay, come flash it.
On the good? Oh, true.
Fish, man.
Yeah, you never know some have shield.
One person will come up behind you. Shooting for the field.
Same finish me. And I know I get finished. Okay, man.
Can I finish one
What's
more?
that?
Oh,
I'm over SMG. I'm not going to win against us.
okay.
Yes, man. Hold up, man. One more toucher. One more beside you. Beside you. Yes, man. Wet him, man. Wet him with the burst, man.
One
Tony.
shot, in one shot, in
Wet
one
boy,
shot.
Tony. Yes, man. Oh, you mean?
Literally one shot. Hold on, let me where you there.
What you mean? Wet him with it? Dead long time. I'm shooting guitar Jamie Shield and I'm never guitar Jamie Shield move the dead chop up so
Oh,
easy.
you never have on the shield.
No, the boy shot it. Yeah, me have a shield, but the boy come shot the rocket launcher, man. On my foot.
Oh,
Where's the summer to mama? Mama, I live up.
The bandage is there behind you, know. Tony, go back up on the Tony, where are you? What's up? Tony, please! Tony, where's the store a while ago? Tony.
Wait, I'm shooting. I'm grappling that middle. You blind?
Yeah, man, yo, respect in a proven, respect for passing through me, G. Look at more. Tony, listen me now, Tony. What you are the Tony? You need to get your hit points up in a Tony.
Hit points.
Alright, figure it out. Yeah, hit points, youth. You need to watch Daquan, Tajay, no name, hit points. You need to get them hit points, youth.
I'm take Fortnite seriously.
Line up.
You shot a Lexi. Oh boy. Yeah. You shot a Lexi.
You're not trying to talk about me, Jimmy.
Wow. Yo, just mind how you put the people and boy in a danger here. Oh.
Huh?
Move up.
I want to one.
Yo, me I pick that one here. Me I pick that one here. Ouch. Why the brother has enough? Watch him go pick it. Alright. So everybody jump out. I wanna go.
Man, brothers, if you ever pick something and take up the mark and do over that pick.
Which one I go? Cause
You see marker? You see it?
I don't see no marker.
No, yeah, because the way you tell Lexi, that's why you don't see marker. Put the people and boy in a danger. What's up? Easy! What up? Yo, I'm tired of that game, man. I'm tired of that game, man. The traps click the man and he's still not dead. Tony dead. Come on. Tony, hold on for the trigger, so. Yes, man. Tell him more, man. That one shot. Yo, I can't believe the man that.
The video brave. Man, I rest right this up, you know this one.
They might kill Tony, you know. Just wait till him come out there. Wait till he reload. Ucha, where you do Ucha? So nobody now go out for Tony there.
Nobody now go. Go on, touch it, that's it.
Alright, touch it dead. See him
I
there?
have no more body. I'm gonna dead and
Alright,
just
Ucha dead no. Not yet. Don't jump down. Stay up there, so. Don't jump down there. Send him home.
finish him.
Send him home. Where you reload fast? Send him home. Watch out. I swear, if the oh.
Oh! That's why I switched the gun. Somebody else have pushed them. Let me say if I'm dead. Really? The man knew, didn't it? Come. 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 No? Alright, come. Alright, but don't make some control mash up. Jeffy said he's gonna buy me a new one. Jeffy said he's gonna buy me a new one. Let me see it. It's all a bit. Got the tiny hand. Got the tiny hand. Got the tiny hand for just. You close to her. High five. So bad, high five. No, high fives. No. High five. This is a win. Oh my god. Let. Everybody on the bus and ready to come out? Like the keys don't trouble it. Huh? Yeah. I use money. You are there, people.
Ucha, where you go, Ucha?
What's up?
Hello. Give me that.
Ucha, come here, so. Ucha, come here, so. Yes, so.
Really?
No, don't come here, so, no.
Kill him now? You can't believe
What?
it.
Me alive. Me alive.
Yeah, me be alive.
One shot.
Tajay, come pick me up. They are alive too.
I don't know own all that, you know. And it depends any.
I think you did 600 I had the thing and get the chest a while ago.
I'm joking with the fun.
Mana come. Behind. See, behind you. In front of you. See your left on the field. All of them low. Nice. Okay. Really, Tajay? Yeah, Tajay is dead. What's the Tajay do a while ago?
Yo, grenade, move, come on. Watch your grenade them.
Behind you, Tajay. No. Next side, Tajay.
No! But they all the way across the room and Ratchet still exposed me.
We never see what I do.
As you said.
Because they hide. Nice. Behind me.
You that?
No.
No. Put on your rocket launcher.
Yeah.
Leave yourself. You have been relieved from duty, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, see them over. Not,
Oh, step on
not.
Oh, see them
Not
there
touch it,
come?
not the
Oh,
host,
no,
not
we
the
should
host,
have a
not.
bomb. We should have a bomb. Tajay ma come now, yeah,
They might
Tajay?
come, you know.
We can come, man.
Okay.
What's up with it? That's like control the foot, youth. What you do? Boom. Yo, me, I want the home reach on the roof. The man go through the foot and make me go up on the roof. Yo, you better kill them, you know?
Tajay, I can go in them corner. Really, Tajay?
Youth, what you just do a while ago? What you just do a while ago? Where you throw the foot this over? Huh?
Okay. It's a shit this a while ago.
The man go throw the foot star and make the man him kill me. John, yo. I bet you the throw an impulse. Bet you the throw an impulse grenade and kill me yourself. I swear.
Let's see. Let's see. Take him out for that. You see the arm, the cover them are warm now. Yeah, the cover those couch. You can need to browse. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was Freddy. Huh? Today. I thought tomorrow was Friday. Let's see. Let's see. Careful.
Yo.
Acha. Acha. You're not near me.
Them a push it, Tony. And
Yo!
I'm on a gun for this.
have no goodness.
Yeah, that's totally different.
Which are going at Dagos? Going at Dagos. Going this up. Thank you. Appreciate it. Them are coming up. Oi, oi. Them are come. Watch you stand up right on the wall where you knock out. Come for that shield there. You're doing at the garage downstairs.
Huh?
Watch up on it. Yo. Yo, nobody this have a shotgun, you know. All of them are use SMG, you know.
Yeah.
Boppa. Yo, spray meta.
What? Oh, that makes sense now. I did do a week 9 challenge, and that's all I got. You're dancing? Oh, yes. Okay, you can see how many people I have subscribed to me. Press top right, my picture. You know what? No, go over up on the right one. Up top, you know the tab. Up top, tab. You don't know like two, you have the different tabs open. No, click the one look at yes. Go over to you now, to my picture. That's my channel. And click to that tree. 2 subscribers today. Yeah. Trust me, people, I have seen people unsubscribe on me. I've seen this. It's stuff button. Stuff like this. You can forget to know people subscribe. And then I start getting. Oh crap, it's a lot of people. Where to go?
Yo, people over there, so one there.
Nobody there, nobody.
Yeah, people over here.
Alright. Brother, why am I feeling this? So why never gonna learn him friend him land? I take away one wish still. Don't worry yourself. Oh, no. Alright, everybody was so good. Me, I don't know if I said that.
No, they would have fucking SNG.
Alright, over there, me, y'all come now. I was gonna say everybody over there, so alright.
Which yeah, cut. Who's gonna run come to over there?
Me a forward, me a forward.
It is cutting. There's no need to come.
Oh yeah, me see them a run towards you know. Them there over the barn
No,
now.
so I'm gonna say they don't come
Didn't
towards
even
you.
I look back. I want my
Them
pickaxe
there
and
over
my
the barn now. Just go and run, go and run, go and run. Shot one of them.
Boy. Keep people money.
One of them a one shot, you know. Hey, come out of the bubble, you know. Come out of the bubble. One of them a one shot. Just come out of the bubble.
The man and really run it down like seriously.
Yo!
A tree and black man can't shoot up him. One. Thank you.
Knock one.
One left in the third. Put your Danny. Oh, he missed so fast. What the?
I'm reach out, sir.
Tire.
Take yourself out of this man.
What the man missed the man so fast?
Hey, where are the Ucha? Just pick him up.
And that me I try to come and tell
Ucha
me
just pick up.
Just pick him up.
somebody just
Danny.
Let me get shot from you.
Why you finish?
But tell yourself, pick up the man.
No, sir.
Why you never pick him up?
Pick him up here, the man come shoot.
Yeah, we got somewhere nobody in there. Simple as that.
No, that no make no sense.
No, you're not game there.
Ask
Keep
him, but
on
I try to
again.
go up and attempt to somebody there behind me. Right?
Well, I got eventually fight, but Chano.
I don't understand how but down the man. And then by the time if you run come towards the man get res.
How much to me?
I'm up for.
Everything. As in I have foundation.
Yeah, I'm up
Jump
for
on the
everything.
tire.
Oh, that's why I'm reach so high. Cause I wonder how I'm reach up so high.
Oh.
It is I keep float. Kinda do.
But I like it. The reason why I like it is because once you jump and you not connect, I did it. So I'm not like doing that. You know on the rocket ammo Ucha?
Yeah, I have to.
Yeah, let's check them. Come for sure. We did that come from Fatal though.
Yeah.
Or only did that come from Fatal. Just over there.
I have no heal.
Alright, so yeah, some find a big shield. Stand up. What? Yo, explain how that is not a headshot. Yo, people who are salty, you know. People in a salty, you know, Ucha. In a salty. Don't come with me then, stay where you're there. Alright, they might come towards you, Don't panic, you know. Don't panic, I'm there with you. Don't panic, come to me now.
So look, I'm throwing them for me. Sweat wall spawn.
Yo! John, so where the second one come from?
Yeah?
Where Ragnarok come from?
Yeah? I tell you.
Yo, I can't believe me never kill a Ragnarok there.
I can't believe it.
None of them not kill. A two kill alone them have. How comes? Between all four of them a 2 kill alone them have? Yo. John.
That little funny. That little funny.
What? Yo.
Well, let's just say.
You know why? You know why? Because me now with the general ice stakes challenge.
Serafine, look at this, some buckle. I'm there to pick up everything. So that, I think I don't see that. Oh. No, leave it.
Yo, all the way have to land together. Tajay, go Dagos. Everybody, Dagos, Dagos. Over the market. Dagos over here, so over here, so Dagos, Dagos. Go downstairs. Yes, true. Go on. Take out that gun there, Tony. Alright. Man with gun, come now. Use the gun them now. Use the gun them now, Tajay, what you do?
Banana gun. Yes, man. Okay, fish here.
Yo, what all that gun them? Nobody not a gun.
Nobody no.
A pistol.
Yo, me not care what kind of gun, just give me a gun.
Go on.
Man, them says we know what kind of gun him have. See me, sir.
Move out the door, you know, move out the door. Tony, move, make you come in, you know. What's Tony?
Fish? Me?
Tony, rest, Tony, rest, Tony, rest.
Tony, oh.
That ball will come here and say I go outside and him not raise.
Somebody take that.
Somebody take what? Ucha, all this. Yo, give him some light ammo now. Whoever have.
No.
Oh, Ucha, all this. Alright then.
I need it because I don't have no gun, so.
Alright, over here. Ooh, heavy there, sir.
Me need that, you know.
No. Oh, complete. Where they? See there.
Just drop it now.
See there. Ooh,
what
the go? Yo, yes, you.
Yo, me not even know what the man them there.
Me look there.
Nothing.
Yo, me no know if nobody there now.
I'm not going up top. I'm come finish, you know.
I crawl on the back. You can steer on the
Yo,
back.
where am I gonna finish, you know, cause I don't know.
The second
Steer on the back. Leave me on the back.
Nice, one kill that.
Never mind, my dead. The new guy go finish the one round, man.
That no star, yo. Yo, man, I don't know what just happened now, ago. I'm last this up.
The Sparkle specialist a come back.
Yo, King Ninja, where are you?
I want the cube to check herself.
Yo, go over the other side, over there, sir. Where the paper marker there? In the store side. Yo, John was star. Yo, a PS Plus in there now.
Where? Hey, take this.
Nah, me the mark kill. Two man at the store side, you know. I ain't got me one right now.
That big killer.
Yo, more people still there, you know.
Who attack this?
Oh.
Blue.
Yo, more another man there, you know. Man, have more bullets, you know. Him run at the back of the building, you see me, you know. See me there? Man, no ammo, you know. Uche, you nobody in there. Yo, give me some of the ammo, you know.
I'm dead. Kill him.
Yo, me need a gun with some ammo. Cause again,
Some gun on here says a burst.
Tony, left that to Tony.
More people.
I know, sir. Need a
Up
gun,
top on the
man.
roof, up top.
May I come bring a gun there? Hold on.
Let's stop. Not right now, let's see.
Hey, take this.
In there above, you know.
Hold on, move.
I know, star. Oh, me, man. Yo, every time I find a gun, that always every single time. Yo, and drop down right there, say now, Tajay. And there was Tajay there, Tony. The two want to push him, hold on to rush him, man. What are we wait for? Hold on to just run in for him. One of them come pick me up there now. Him not. You know. Ucha come back in here so and do nobody dead. Tajay, me get two bandit.
Yeah, them a push. Don't stop enough. Pick out 39.
Me a drop two bandit, Tajay.
In there up on
Tajay, me
top.
drop two bandit. Make him stay up, sir.
Go back when I say. Everybody stay to Jesus Christ. I'm not finishing, I'm not trying to finish it. It's like a fish, man. But anybody may kill, I get instant finish. See that?
Watch out.
Nice. Don't know what to do.
I don't know where you go back up the fire and see knock out the roof.
You gonna come up for the bandage?
Oh, no, because when me call you for the bandage, me drop them down on the stairs.
I never the stairs it there. Upstairs it there.
Boy, I've got a bandage too, you know. I'll fucking drink this first. I know, Star. Everybody have gun now?
Roxy, stop now. Stop. Don't touch it.
Which are literally in a dog house.
Let's go.
Alright, so the cube I put on one more of them something there. Again. Oh, that's a mine? Mind that?
What you do? What you do?
I don't mind that. Alright, oh, that's a mine. That one, yeah, mine. Drink the big shield. No, drink the big shield. Drink the big shield. Drink the big shield.
Lexi, stop. Let's see.
Hold on.
How much are them, Reef?
There are two, if I see one, but when I see them gone, I'm glad fortune and then disappeared.
So the house them over here said, yo, I circle can run still, you know. I'm not on a match, you know.
Somebody was in my little cabin.
Now which little cabin? In front of you?
Stop.
Oh yeah, yeah. Shrimp gone at the what? Hold on, Tony, hold on. Mucha, come here. Come here to spawn there. Eat them up here.
Are there? Oh,
Brother, like 6 times now, I have shot from the man now.
Alright, go on.
I'm gonna shot now.
Let's put you eat apple them. Oh, see me right so?
Yeah, brother. Not the man not shoot from the other side. Push from the right hand side. Push from the other side, push from the other side.
Watch out!
Go.
oh, shoot.
Push you, watch your right, watch your right.
Watch out! Ho! Ho!
push again.
Shit. Behind you. I come behind you, two of them.
Yo, I can't believe so much I'm a shot them miss. The man still have all of 53 HP. Or if still have all of 53 HP. The fuck? I know, Star. Man still have all of 53 HP. Yo, peace, that's for me tonight, you know. Tomorrow again, you know. Yeah, another live stream, but a Battlefield 5 still. Make sure you go download the beta, you know. It's free for play. See it?